Hi, my name is Daniel here at Swansway Honda Stockport, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Honda ZR-V 2.0 i-MMD Sport Hybrid with the eCVT gearbox. This vehicle has currently done 1,211 miles and it's finished in the colour Radiant Red. It sits very nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You've got LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. You do have keyless entry and go, making access into the vehicle much easier. You can unlock and start the vehicle without needing to take the key fob out of your pocket. The convenience continues to the rear as you have a power operated tailgate which you can open and close with just the push of a button. It provides you with access to the 390 litre boot. You can increase this space to 1,322 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your gorgeous part leather interior. It features ISOFIX points on the outer seats, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. To the left of your steering wheel, you've got controls for adjusting your infotainment system. To the right, you have your adaptive cruise control, which is perfect for motorway journeys. On your digital display here in the instrument cluster, you've got access to all different driving data. You can even access your driver safety features, including your lane departure warning system and your pre-collision warning system, features to make you feel much safer and secure while behind the wheel. Also on the left, you've got access to all of your different media, which you can also find on the infotainment system. Here in the centre of the dashboard is your touchscreen infotainment system. Now this system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music through USB input and Bluetooth audio. You've got your phone menu where you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. The system does come with built-in navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. The system also has smartphone connectivity with access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to pair your smartphone up to safely make hands-free phone calls and texts and access compatible applications directly on the touchscreen. You've got all of your different features here available on your menu. This ZR-V comes with front and rear parking sensors and a rear camera to make parking much easier. Below from your touchscreen you have your dual zone automatic climate control. It comes with heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. In the center console you have your wireless phone charger, 2 cup holders, there's also your automatic gear selector and the electronic handbrake.